To get Shadow in a One Piece game AUT, follow these steps. Number 1, Gacha Spins. Use gems to spin in the Gacha system. Shadows may be one of the characters that you can obtain through this method, so save up enough gems. Number 2, special events. Okay. Keep an eye out on in-game events where promotions, Shadow might be a limited time character or reward in there, in the promotions. Number 3, missions and quests. Complete specific missions or quests that could lead to acquiring Shadow or items needed to unlock them, all right? So number 4, you got trading. If you're having trouble, consider trading with other players who may have Shadow and are willing to trade, okay? Number 5, stay informed. Follow game updates and community news for any announcements about Shadow's availability, all right? So good luck on your quest to get Shadow in AUT. If you have any comments, anything you want to leave for anyone that might learn anything from what you have to say, put it in the comment section. Jesus is Lord.